here's how to set up and add passkeys in 1Password. Let's get to it. So before we begin, I would like to explain a little bit about the passkeys. A passkey is a password you don't have to remember. Instead of typing a password, you just unlock with your fingerprint, Face ID, or device PIN. Apps like 1Password store that passkey securely and log you in automatically. Now, why are these passkeys better? You don't have to remember any password. Much harder for hackers to steal your passwords. You can log in faster with biometrics like face or fingerprint that way. Passwords can be stolen, but these passkeys would be harder for any hacker to steal. These passkeys cannot be reused or phished because they can only work on specific websites that they were created for. So if you try to use it on a website which looks exactly like the website that you're trying to log into, but it is on a different domain, then the passkey will not work. And there are two types of these passkeys. One I've got is over here is this one, which is an hardware passkey, which is an UBI key. The second type is this passkey, which is basically a digital passkey. And these passkeys are used by big companies like Microsoft, Apple, etc. All right, now in order to add passkeys, you can go inside one of your vaults. And now when you press on one of your items in vaults, you'll see a pop-up on top that you can add a passkey. You can just press over there and then you can go inside it and add one. But let's say I go over to LinkedIn. I can go over here on top right, my icon, and then press on settings and privacy. Now in it, on the left hand side, you need to press on sign in and security. Then on the right, you're going to find passkeys here. Press on it. Now you can create a passkey by pressing on this button. You just need to enter in your password again of LinkedIn. I'm just going to create a passkey by pressing on this button. Now on the top right, you're going to see this save a passkey. So you can just save it to one of your vaults like this and press on the save button. And that's it. Now we have created a passkey for our LinkedIn account via 1Password. You can also press on this passkey button. And instead of using 1Password, you can just press on this close over here. And it's going to prompt the Windows security over here. Now you can change it from this button and use your security key, which is this one, which is a hardware key. Or you can also use your Windows device, Windows Hello, as your passkey. Let's say I try to sign back into my LinkedIn account. It says this welcome back over here. And on the top right, because I've got this Chrome extension of 1Password and we have set up the passkey in it. So I can press on the sign in button. There you go. Now it's going to log me back into my LinkedIn account with the passkey that was created in 1Password. Just like this, you can create passkeys for your other accounts as well on different websites like Google accounts or LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. The ones that support use of passkeys. And yeah, that's it. That's how to add passkeys in 1Password. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And if you want to learn how to connect UBI key, your hardware passkey, to 1Password, I've made a video on the right hand side in a playlist. See you there. Bye for now.